Okay, so we've had a significant amount of updates since our last demo, so I figured I'd make this new one on April 3rd, 2025. Go ahead to the website, and this is our software product right here. Tidal is its name, and Tidal is the world's first ternary software stack. So you're able to code in a software stack that eventually assembles all the way down to a new kind of machine code, not just using values of 0 and 1 binary. Now we're using values of -1, 0, and +1. Balanced ternary machine code is what this is referred to. And that's the old demo. So some of the features, we have a login through our website. We want to have a universal feel to everything so that users feel connected to the company. We have favorites, we have explore keys, ability to share, ability to save, ability to favorite codes and programs. Now, this is based off of a freemium model so that you are able to give it a shot, and then you're able to sign up for a free trial as well. I'll sign in here. And essentially how this starts out is you just have your input on the left-hand side over here and your output on the right-hand side. It's a little rough around the edges, and we shouldn't be scrolling here. We're addressing that as quickly as we can. So over here you can see my most recent keys. Here's an example key about root readiness. Here, see, this is a high-level programming language that we built that compiles down to a custom assembly language that we also built. And this assembles down to our machine code. And then what happens here when I click this button that compiles the code that runs it, it actually compiles this machine code into a new machine code, which then communicates with this output box on what to do. So here we're printing the third block statement to indicate that the banana is set to ripe and the banana condition is set to ripe. So there we go. We're able to show your history, and these are a lot of test cases. That's why they look like that. Information. Most of these bring you back to the website for information, keyboard shortcuts. Like I said, a little rough around the edges, so need to iron that out. The explore keys section. This is what makes it so that it's much more interactive. We're actually able to, when you first jump in here, you may not be entirely sure what to use the product for. This shows you a lot of example codes and programs so that you can get started down the right path and become more and more intrigued on what the possibilities are with this newer technology. You're able to go to favorites. I believe I have any favorites. We go to favorites, check those out. Let's go to the keys that you created. You keep keys private. You can make them public to everybody else. Go to full screen mode here. So this is our little demo, and it's a space where you're able to learn what the implications are of this change from a software perspective. But more than that, we want to build the first computer chip that uses this technology. And this software stack is going to be the stack and the interface where you're able to communicate with that kind of computer. All right, that's the Tidal demo. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.